before this.
What's up everybody? In today's video we are going to talk about our previous videos. We have talked about G502 SE. This is a Logitech mouse. Really love it. I'm not the main user of it, but I use once in a while when I need to use a computer. However, in today's video we're going to show you a new gaming product. Logitech Logitech G5.
It's okay, Iqbal. I'll just place it on the screen for others to read it.
That! Well, a little bit background. I am mainly a fan of a spreadsheet, Excel, and those sort of things. So this is a huge departure of things I've always been doing. The numpad. This one doesn't have numpad at all, which is going to be a really hard transition for me. But at the same time, I want to learn and I'm playing more gaming. So it gives me more time, or it gives me more space for my key. It gives more space to my mouse to move around and hover around so that I can play more Fortnite. Yeah, Fortnite, and also Minecraft. I want to learn Minecraft. So those things. First things first, this is going to be a wireless, I believe.
I believe this isn't a wireless. Open it up to see it, man.
This is 40 hours. Okay, never mind. So let me open here. It's mumbo jumbo in the back. I have no idea what the are.
There should be a knife right there.
There is a knife. I didn't know about the knife, but here, I'll open it. So like I was saying, it is going to be a huge departure from what I know, the numpad, which is really essential for me. But this one is mostly for the gaming. So it's 10 keyless lightning, lightspeed wireless, RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. It's wireless, which is cool. I'll put this on the side. So Harpreet, get this. This is wireless.
What? But should have an option for wires though.
So this is how small it looks like. A traditional keyboard is going to be yay big with 3 keys or 10 keys for numpad. But this one doesn't have the numpad, which is okay for me as I'm wanting to more go to key or numpad-less keyboard. And yeah, even though it is a wireless device or wireless keyboard, it does still have wires so that I can use wires if I need to hard wire to the computer, so it would be a little bit faster, or I am not entirely sure how I
believe at that point you would not suffer from Bluetooth latency. And at the same time, it'll be much faster, process.
Hopefully that's the case.
But I believe the reason they're doing wireless probably is because it's better wireless. So we can give it a try, and then
100%.
when the next time tell people how bad you are at Fortnite, you can tell about it.
Okay, nice one. And this is a USB that you can put on the keyboard, or
I believe the receiver, Bluetooth receiver.
Bluetooth receiver? No. Okay, so this is a Bluetooth receiver for the keyboard, and there is something. I'm not entirely sure what this is even. I'll take a look on this one, and then few paperworks about the keyboard, G logo, Logitech, gaming.com, some blah blah, and more jargony stuff.
Alright, well I actually want to know and see how the keyboard feels. Can you do that instead?
Yeah, I can definitely do that. Allow me to put it back first. Alright, so this keyboard do seem to be really good, but it's a departure because I'm at work, and also my previous computer have numpad, and usually my hand always goes to the number pad area, which is missing. So this is how I usually type with 3, but also moving here. So this being a missing, it's going to be an adjustment for me, but I'm not gonna, let that stop me to learn how to use this keyboard. This do seem to be a really good, sturdy keyboard.
Can you remove the plastic?
Oh yeah, I'll remove the plastic, of course. Like I said, it's not going to be a traditional unboxing. It is more and more tame every now and then when we make videos. So it's not going to be that crashy and not going to be that trashy. Let's try to turn it on. Where it is?
What about try pressing or like?
Alright. So on button is right here. You turn it on and voila. All the colors are already there. And then it's just RGB, so I don't know how to. I'm most likely going to make it just one color and keep
start typing and see how's the experience. What do you think about just simple typing? It's a mechanical keyboard though, way different than what we use, which is craft keyboard.
Yes, so we have Logitech craft keyboard, which is what we use for our main computer, but this is going to be gaming. So hey, how are you? Or I should say hello. Whoa. Hello world. Okay, but the key thing I think, or I feel that is lacking in this keyboard is that my this mouse is of course to one computer, and I'm going to show you. We do have this weird mouse, which is going to be, it's most likely for ergonomical mouse. And I use this mouse for my regular computer when I use because it's easier for carpal tunnel. And this one have 3 switches. So I can switch to 3 different devices at any time and it will sync to them. And I can resume from one computer to another. And this one, and also the craft keyboard that we have also a feature of switching from 3 keyboards or 3 devices. However, this is going to be a departure. It's going to be only one device and one device only. But I feel that it does seem to be a really powerful, or the feeling is really good. Don't judge me. I'm still learning. If you want to have really solid gaming keyboard, I would recommend to try this one out, and we will try more and test it out and see how it feels like in conjunction with the gaming mouse. And yeah, that's been it. Hope you like this video, and also please watch our previous videos. If you have any questions, comment down below, let me know, and like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Trust me, you will have 69 million life years ahead of you if you hit the like button.